If you want to know how to make these great anti-scratch socks for your chairs, stay tuned. If you have ever asked yourself how to protect your floor from scratches from your chair, I'm going to show you how to make these little anti-scratch socks. Instead of having these little felt pads we all know for the chair legs. Because after a while these little felt pads fall off of the chair legs, even if you use extra glue or even if you nail the felt pads on the chair legs. So I decided to make these little anti-scratch socks for my chairs. This is an easy to make beginner friendly pattern. All we have to do is we have to work in half double crochets, and I'll show you how to do it. Because all chairs are as different in size and shape as people, you have to measure the chair legs so that you will have the exact size for your chair legs. My chairs have different sizes, so the front legs of the chair are a little bit smaller and the back legs are a little bit bigger, so I crochet in two different sizes, but I will show you just one size, so we will work in this smaller size for my chair legs. So we will crochet the smaller size, and all we need for this project is just yarn. You can use any yarn you have. We will begin with this small size. If you want to know how to crochet the bigger size, just check out my playlist. And we will need a crochet hook in 4.5 millimeter. So I take a rest wool yarn I had in the house, but you can use any yarn, any color you like. Just take care about your measurements. So we start with a magic ring and we will chain 2. So this will be instead of our first half double crochet, and we will work now half double crochets 13. So we have 14 double crochets at all at the end of this round. 2, 3, 4. We will count the first 2 chains as our first half double crochet, as I've said before. And we will work 14 half double crochets. We will close our ring with a slip knot at the end. So I'm using a 4.5 millimeter hook, but you can use any hook you like, and the size depends, as I have said before, on your chair legs and even on the type of your yarn. And the second round we crochet 2 half double crochet in each and every stitch. At the end of the row we will close the round with a slip knot. If you want to know how to make a magic ring and how to make half double crochets in detail, please check out my playlist. I will leave the link in the info box below. For this pattern you have to yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 stitches or the 3 loops on the hook. So insert the hook, yarn over again and pull through all the 3 loops on the hook. We will put 2 half double crochet in each and every stitch until we reach the end of the round. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops on the hook. So when we will reach the end of the round, we will close this round with a slip knot in the beginning of our round, And we will start with our next round, and all we have to do now is we will crochet the next 19 till 20 rounds in half double crochet in each and every stitch, and that's it, and we'll see us again. Just take care not to add any more stitches or to lose any stitches, because then you will lose your measurement for the socks. As you have seen, we close every round with a slip knot in the first stitch of the round, but if you prefer to crochet in spiral rounds, feel free to do so, but don't forget to put the marker in the beginning of each round so you won't lose any stitches. So we will chain 2 for the beginning of each and every row, and we go on until we reach the 19th row. If you want to add a few more rows, just feel free to do so, but I prefer the 19 rows for my stool legs. So this is how it looks like when it's finished. And I'm good with this. If you want to, you can even make a roll down cuff for your anti-scratch socks, but I'm good with this one. I love to make this work because it's an easy to make pattern, even for beginners. You can do this work when you just look your favorite TV show or you're watching YouTube, so like my channel, for example, and you can just crochet. You don't need to count any stitches, we don't decrease anything, and we don't increase any stitches in this pattern. So we yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull through all the 3 loops on the hook. We yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, and pull through all the 3 stitches, all the 3 loops on the hook. We will do this until we reach the 19th row, as I've said before, and then I will show you what to do next. I think my chairs are very ordinary chairs, so you will find these kind of chairs in any shop of and furniture shops. So you can use this pattern for your chairs as well, and you have to test it if it's fit on your chair legs, so you can make a test work, a test sock, and you will see if they fit, and if they are too small, just add a few more stitches to the magic ring or increase the stitches in the magic ring. But I will show you this even in another video for these little chair socks. I like to close my rounds with a slip knot, but if you prefer your spiral rounds, just feel free to do so. But as I've said before, don't forget to add a marker so that you won't lose any stitches or add any stitches. So we will start with our 19th and last row, and we're gonna have Still our 28 stitches here in our 19th row, so we have not add any stitches or we have not decreased our stitches. So here we will finish our work as I've said before in the last and 19th row, and we will cut our yarn here, and we finished our project, and here's our stool sock or our anti-scratch sock for your chairs. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, just subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my new videos. So till then, see you next time. Bye!